Hair sticks can be used to create many quick and easy up styles, but how can you be sure that you are going to get a secure hold? Check out our tips on the position that you should start. For our secure tips, I am going to be referring to the hands of the clock, from the 1 o'clock position all the way around to the 12 o'clock position. For the best hold, we recommend that you insert the hair stick anywhere from the 9 o'clock position to the 3 o'clock position. A French twist can be secured through the 11 to the 1 o'clock positions. A bun can be secured horizontally through the 9 to 3 o'clock positions. You can use 2 hair sticks for added security, adding them in an X formation parallel to each other from the 10 o'clock and the 2 o'clock positions. Or perpendicular in a slash formation from the 1 and 2 o'clock positions. See which angle and formation works best for your hair and the style that you are hoping to achieve. If you have used these hair sticks from Good Hair Days, let us know and what your favorite hairstyle is in the comments below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.